Today, we're diving into something that's been trending all over TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube, cash stuffing. But before you roll your eyes and think, let me tell you, this is not your grandma's budgeting system. This is cash stuffing modernized for Gen Z. We're talking about mixing the old school envelope system with today's tech-driven lifestyle. And the best part? It can actually help you take control of your money, get out of debt faster, and save for the future without feeling like you're depriving yourself. So, if you've ever felt like your money just vanishes every month, or you've tried budgeting apps but couldn't stick with them, then stay with me, because this video might completely change the way you see your money. Take a breath, get comfortable, and let's get into it. 1. What exactly is cash stuffing? Okay, let's start simple. What is cash stuffing? Imagine you get paid, say, $2,000 for the month. Instead of swiping your debit card until it declines and then wondering where all your money went, you take that $2,000, break it down into categories like rent, groceries, eating out, entertainment, savings, and put the actual cash into envelopes labeled with those names. So if you give yourself $200 for eating out, you literally have an envelope with $200 in it. Once that's gone, that's it. No overspending. No surprise bank charges. No crying at the end of the month. It's visual. It's physical. It's real. And for Gen Z, who are more digital than any generation before, ironically, this physical way of seeing money can be a game changer. 2. Why Gen Z needs this system more than ever. Now you might be thinking, okay, but why should Gen Z care about this old school system? Here's why. 1. The cost of living crisis. Rents are sky high. Food is expensive, and wages haven't exactly skyrocketed. 2. Digital spending is invisible. Think about it. When you pay with Apple Pay or tap your card, it doesn't feel like you're spending real money. But when you're physically handing over cash, it hits different. 3. Social media pressure. Gen Z faces constant pressure to keep up. New clothes, gadgets, travel, experiences. Cash stuffing helps you enjoy life within limits without drowning in debt. So yeah, it might feel old school, but in a world where money feels like it slips through our fingers, cash stuffing gives you back that control. 3. How to set up cash stuffing in 2025, step by step. Now let's get practical. Here's how to start cash stuffing as a Gen Zer. Step 1. Know your income. Whether you're working part-time, freelancing, or doing side hustles, calculate your average monthly income. Step 2. List your expenses. Think rent, utilities, groceries, subscriptions, savings, fun money. Be honest with yourself. Step 3. Create categories. Some common ones are rent/housing, groceries, transportation, fun and entertainment, savings and investments, debt repayment. Step 4. Withdraw your cash. This is the fun part. On payday, withdraw the amount you've budgeted for your envelopes. Step 5. Stuff the envelopes. Label each one clearly. Use colorful markers, stickers, or even custom binders to make it fun and motivating. Step 6. Stick to it. If your fun envelope is empty, it's empty. That's the discipline part. Now here's the modern twist. We'll get into how you can combine this system with digital wallets and budgeting apps, so you don't always have to carry around cash. 4. Cash stuffing modernized for Gen Z. All right, let's talk about the 2025 version of cash stuffing. We all know cash is great, but it's not always practical. Nobody wants to walk around with $1,000 in their bag. So here's how you make it digital. Digital envelopes with banking apps. Apps like Revolut, Monzo, or Chime let you create separate vaults or pots for your money. Treat those like envelopes. Budgeting apps. In app, you need a budget, good budget, or even Excel spreadsheets can mimic the envelope system. Cash hybrid. For categories like food or entertainment, use real envelopes. For bills and rent, keep it digital. This hybrid model keeps the benefits of visual budgeting without the hassle of carrying stacks of cash. 5. Why cash stuffing actually works, psychology of money. Now, here's the deeper question. Why does this system actually work? It's all about psychology. When you swipe your card, your brain doesn't register the loss of money the same way. But when you hand over physical cash, you feel it. It hurts a little, and that pain makes you think twice. It also creates boundaries. If your food, envelope is empty, you don't magically overspend. It's gone. That discipline creates long-term habits. For Gen Z, who've grown up in an era of instant gratification, this system is like a reset button. 6. Cash stuffing success stories. Let's make this real with some quick examples. Case 1, Maya, 22. She used cash stuffing to save $1,500 in just 3 months by cutting down her food delivery spending. She didn't even realize how much money was leaking out until she saw her envelope empty every week. Case 2, Jay, 25. He had $6,000 in credit card debt. By using envelopes and a debt snowball method, he knocked it down a year while still enjoying weekends out because he budgeted for fun. Case 3, you? Imagine 6 months from now, having $500 saved for travel, no overdraft fees, and actual control over where your money goes. That could be your reality. 7. Common mistakes to avoid. Let's be real. Cash stuffing isn't perfect. Here are mistakes you want to avoid. 1. Not tracking everything. If you stuff envelopes but don't keep notes, you'll lose track. 2. Being too strict. If your budget feels like punishment, you'll quit. 3. Forgetting digital payments. Subscriptions like Netflix or Spotify still come out of your account. You need to budget for those too. For quitting too early. It takes about 3 months to really feel the results. Stick with it. 8. How to evolve cash stuffing as you grow. Here's the beauty of this system. You can scale it. Start small, maybe just groceries and fun money. Add in savings. Create an envelope for investing. Long term, move from envelopes to digital wallets to full-on automated investing. The key? Start where you are and grow with it. So, there you have it. Cash stuffing for Gen Z, modernize for today's lifestyle. It's not just about envelopes and cash. It's about control, awareness, and building habits that set you up for financial freedom. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by budgeting apps or lost track of where your money goes, give this system a shot. It might feel old school, but trust me, it works. Now, I want to hear from you. Are you going to try cash stuffing? Or maybe you've already been doing it without realizing? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear your stories. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who's always broke by the second week of the month. We've all got that one friend. Until next time, take care of your money, and it'll take care of you.